Hi guys, this is Harivalagan. I am a solution architect and practitioner of Cloud for Academy. I'm going to discuss about the cloud computing this session. So, the cloud computing, why we are moving for cloud computing? Earlier, 10 years back, we are using monolithic architecture. Monolithic architecture is nothing but they have the infrastructure set up like CPU, memory, networking, everything set up in the company itself. So they will not, they have to maintain and they have to dedicated team has to be there and infra team. So they will deploy the code and if whenever any failures happen, the recovery is very difficult, or whenever the traffic movement is high, we cannot increase the bandwidth. So it is we struggle a lot of challenges on that. Okay, so that's why we are moving to cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but we have AWS is there, Azure is there, and Google is there. This provider, the cloud provider, they are setting the rented house in a rented data center, which is hosted in multiple countries and multiple region, right? So when we are creating, let's say I'm going to deploy our code changes software in software, what we will do is we will go to the particular cloud provider, we will create an account and how many CPU you want, memory we want, and what are the networking components we want. We can set up all the security and database creation, everything we can do. Once we done it, and we can deploy our code directly. So we no need to be dedicated any CPU or mini machine in our company. So everything is just we have the access. We are creating as a virtual machine, and that will be hosted, right? So it is easier to maintain. There is no need for any infra team to maintain the infrastructure. So any upgrade, software upgrade, any security upgrade, everything they will take care. So we no need to worry about on that. We are focusing only on the coding side, how we can code the, how we can deploy the our architecture. So that only we can take care. Thank you guys. We will let into more on this when you are joining Cloud for Academy. The cloud computing session, we will cover more details on this. Thank you guys.